Anatomy of ear. Ear is mainly divided into three parts: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. External ear is also divided into two parts: pinna and external auditory canal. Pinna is the outer part of the ear and made by cartilaginous and non-cartilaginous. Cartilaginous part or non-cartilaginous part lobule. This is a fatty, yellow fatty marked by lobule. External auditory canal divided into two parts: mainly cartilaginous part and bony part. Cartilaginous part is outer part. Total length of the external auditory canal is 24 mm from pinna to tympanic membrane. Total length is 24 mm. Outer 1/3 cartilaginous part is 8 mm from pinna to here. This length is 8 mm, or from pinna to bony part is 16 mm. Cartilaginous part mainly ceruminous gland, sebaceous gland, which form bags. Ceruminous gland, fatty secretion; serous gland, oily secretion, and there is a presence of hair follicles. In this area, mainly furunculosis present. This is caused by Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. From here to tympanic membrane, this length is 16 mm. External auditory canal mainly S-shaped, not straight tube. This is a S-shaped tube होती है. External auditory canal and middle ear cavity divided by tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane and middle ear cavity mainly 6-sided box होता है, जिसमें 6 बाउंड्री होती है. लेटरल साइड में टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन, मीडियल वॉल, एंटीरियर साइड में स्टिचियन ट्यूब, पोस्टीरियर ऑडिटस, एंट्रम एंड मेस्टॉइड एरिया होता है. सुपीरियर यानी कि रूफ एंड फुट फ्लोर. These are 6 boundaries of the middle ear. Tympanic membrane mainly एक thin membrane होती है. This is a tympanic membrane. This is a handle of Malleus. This is a cone of light. This area is called pars tensa and this area is called pars flaccida. Above the pars flaccida area is flexible and pars tensa area is tensed. Below the umbo, this is a cone of light. So tympanic membrane divide external auditory canal and middle ear canal.